Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the noise filter on the Samsung refrigerator. We'll only need a Phillips screwdriver for the job. Let's get started. Unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. For this repair, we'll need access to the back of the refrigerator, and we'll start by removing this cover. First, start by removing these 4 Phillips screws. With the screws removed, you can now pull off the cover. Next, remove the power cord clip from the retainer slot. Now, pull the wires out and disconnect the electrical plug. Next, remove the grounding screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Now, disconnect the electrical plug. Now, on the other side, fish the wires out. Next, depress the retaining tab and remove the noise filter. The noise filter filters the power coming into the refrigerator. If the noise filter fails, the refrigerator will not get any power and it'll be completely dead. If you have a bad noise filter and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the noise filter, first start by inserting the left side into the slot. Then depress the retaining tab and push until it snaps into place. Then reconnect the electrical plug and tuck the wires in. Now fish the wires on the left side behind the other harness. Next, reinstall the grounding screw. Then reconnect the electrical plug and tuck the wires in. Now insert the power cord retaining clip into the slot on the refrigerator. Now install the cover panel by first inserting the bottom 2 tabs and then flipping up the panel. Now select the screw with the finer threads and install it into this location. Then install the 3 remaining screws. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.